Hi besties on hormonal imbalance days. I keep things simple but still want to look fresh. So I start with skincare using the Garnier gel. Moisturizer, it's super lightweight. On the face, not sticky. And perfect for prepping the skin before makeup. I just massage it in so it absorbs quickly and gives an instant fresh glow. Next, I apply my Maybelline foundation and yes, I only use my hands because it's so easy to blend even without a brush. The finish looks natural and not cakey. For my brows, I use a liquid eyebrow product with light strokes so it still looks natural. After that, makeup hack alert, I use cotton buds and just do small dots of eyeshadow. Then smudge it out quick and beginner friendly. Using my finger because then I add a light glittery eyeshadow. Next, I apply Careline liquid eyeliner super pigmented. Easy to glide on and doesn't smudge. It really sticks better that way. I finish the eyes with Maybelline Mascara Hello Long Lasts. No clumping and a very natural lift. For lips, I use an Ebb Liquid Lip Plus Stain Long Lasting. Comfortable on the lips and perfect for an everyday look. Then hair care time. I apply a little argan oil for shine and spray. Vitreous hair freshener for instant fragrance and smooth hair. And we're done. Of course. I grab our puppy Trixie because makeup plus a puppy equals instant happiness.
Hi.
This is your sign that even with simple makeup, you can still feel confident. So follow for more easy makeup tutorials.